Hello and welcome for my video. In this video I will show how you can use Gulp to compile your Bootstrap scss files, and how you can use the JavaScript file in Bootstrap. So you have the possibility to change based on your own code and still only have one file. What we want is just remove those files so we have it locally. So let's begin. First, we need to install Gulp in a directory. And the next we want is install Laravel Elixir. And we are good to go for the next step. So let's creating the Gulp file, and inside here we want to say Gulp is equal to Gulp, and then quite the Elixir, and then we want to say we need to build a function. Inside this function we want to compile, we want to mix a script. And we need to place it somewhere. Let's say we call it app.js public, and then we want to say, we just call it public, and then js main.js, and our file will be in a folder. So we want to say main.js, and then we want to say the structure of this file should be a new folder called resources assets.js. And inside here we can call the file main.js. Look, hello world. Let's testing a file. Nope, it's not working. What is saying? It's saying that is a good question here. This should work. Just a second. We need mix inside the param, and then we should be good to go now. Yeah, and it's working. You can see it's creating a public JS, and everything is fine. So now we want the sample file here. I want to move it up here and rename it as index. We have it here. We are not good to go yet because now we only have the file here, but let's start into this. I copy this file and js main.mint.js. That should be a file. Let's go from Chrome and this tab console. Whoa. Wrong folder. Go for public and put this inside. Hello world. Now we know our JavaScript file is actually working. So let's continue. The next step, we want to download a Bootstrap. So let's download. What I'm doing, I always download both. And the JS files. In the public folder, no, I need to in resources. And libraries. I always call it libraries when I have something, and I want this one, Bootstrap, and it's 4.1.0 right now, right? That's what version we have. Yes, .x 413. Let's rename it for this. So we know when we compile it, we know the version. And then we go for a Gulp and say libs Bootstrap, and we quit this one. We need the CSS code now. It should be here. Let's say scss should be here, yeah. And then we go one back. Create the folder. Inside here we can, yeah, put all the code down. So I'll call it libs. Let's call it framework. It's basically frameworks. So yeah, I'll rename it in another place too. Bootstrap 413, and then we can put in here. And I need the font somewhere. Interesting. Okay, I can't find it right now. Okay, we continue. Close this down, and what I'm doing here is I always want to mix scss files before my JavaScript files. And what we want here is say public css main.mint.css, and we need framework Bootstrap. Uh, 413, and we have it here. So let's say it's called Bootstrap here. And our change this to framework 2 and rename. And what should we call it? Text bg text test. Font size 30 pixels, and then we need color pink. That's fine. Let's restart this again. Should be fine. Yes, it's fine. Let's going for this way. Bootstrap go away, and up here we can say public, css main dot min dot css, and this should work too. Let's go inside here. Yeah, still hello world, that's fine. Yeah, and what we want here, it's span class text test hello world, and then it should be good to go. See hello world, and it's React on my container. So let's build something more. Span class packets. It is actually working. So on this way you can use a Gulp and the Lava Elixir to use on your Bootstrap when you do it, so you don't need the external code CDN. So if the internet is going down, you can still work around with it, and I will continue to use this setup in my videos. It's giving me a little more freedom. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. I hope you want to subscribe my channel. Make a comment below if you have any kind of questions. I'll try to answer them. Like and share my video, and of course I hope you want to subscribe my channel. See you next time.